Good morning mga kadistritos. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Cafe Cerveza located at Purok 6, Poblacion, Tupi, South Cotabato. Yes, Javi Eats is down in Mindanao. At ito, napagod ako sa kakabasa ng menu nila. So, sinuggest sa akin ng manager nila, why don't you order the Rampadora? It's complete. Complete siya. Talagang may isda, may ribs, may kamote fries, fried talong, may gulay, may kangkong, may shrimps, may tahong, may corn, dalawang tilapia. Kompleto siya. Chicken fondant at mukhang masarap talaga. Alamin natin sa manager nila mamaya kung kailan nag-umpisa itong restaurant. At talagang, it's a very refreshing hole-in-the-wall dito sa may Tupi, South Cotabato. Hindi ko talaga na-expect makakakita ka ng ganitong restaurant. Sa baba, ribs. Tilapia. Tahong. Alam nyo, karatig lang tayo dito sa Soc Sergeant. Kasama dyan, Jensan. Napaka-fresh ng seafood. So never ako nagpapalagpas ng pagkakataon kumain ng seafood. When I'm here. Sarap! Fried ribs. Lambot. So soft. Ito yung kanilang kanin salad, fried kangkong.
Ito yung rice nila. Masarap.
Uber creamy. Up. Go. Bagnet is on your side.
Yan.
Lahat?
Lahat talaga.
Eh,
Ano yung kinain mo? Puke-puke?
Wow.
bagnet.
Puke yan sa Ilocos, talong. Diba?
Kinuha niya yung tabako. Siyempre, uso Korean, there's beef bulgogi. Sarap ng timpla. Sarap ng timpla ng ribs. Sarap ng timpla ng beef bulgogi. Okay mga kadistritos, as promised, I will talk to the co-owner and the manager of Cafe Cerveza. Unang-una to congratulate you, boss. Congratulations, ha. Nabusog ako, masarap yung in-order kong pag-usapan natin yung mamaya. Pero ano naisip mo na magtayo ng gastropub here in Tupi, South Cotabato?
Actually, naisipan namin na magtayo ng restaurant dito sa bayan ng Tupi. Gawa na din ng dumadami yung tourist destination dito sa bayan. And we are mga iilan lamang yung restaurant dito. So walang masyadong nakakainan yung mga turista galing sa ibang bayan po.
Kamusta ang reception naman ng tao sa gastropub? Your flavor is very good. Yung usual bagnet, tahong, fried, and the comfort food. Kamusta yung reception ng mga taga South Cotabato and yung mga karating na probinsya sa pagkain niyo?
Actually, yung aming mga guests, not only within Tupi, but also the nearby cities and municipalities like General Santos City and also Davao visiting here just to try our packages, yung mga famous packages po natin.
Speaking of packages, ano yung in-order ko?
Yung in-order nyo po ngayon, it's a Rampadora package.
Okay.
A mixed combination of our platters like yung bagnet, baked spare ribs,
Very good
yung
also.
whole chicken, roasted whole chicken.
The bulgogi was good also.
Yes, bulgogi po. Bulgogi available siya sa platter. So, nasa in one combination na po siya.
Tapos para kunwari healthy, meron din talong.
Yes, po.
meron din kamote chips at meron din yung fried kangkong. Pero all fried. Pero feeling mo healthy pa rin. And again, masarap. 2019 nag-open queue and then nag-pandemic. Paano nangyari? How did you survive?
Bali, to follow the restrictions and protocols pa din, sir. We do deliveries po. Yun po yung nagpa-survive sa amin. And then skeletal manning.
Wow. I'm happy to see that medyo you guys are back to normal operations at kanina punong-puno yung ating restaurant. So please, Sir Mark, invite naman all our viewers to check out Cafe Cerveza.
Okay, so guys, mga kaserbesa, I'm inviting you to visit Cafe Cerveza Tupi branch. Meron din kaming branch sa Tacurong City, so sana makabisita din kayo doon.
And what will they expect?
So expect po natin yung ambience, maganda yung ambience. Meron din tayong function hall for events sa kabila lamang po. And then we are also accredited restaurant here in Tupi, South Cotabato po.
Nice. And trust me, maliban sa masarap yung kanilang hinahain, talagang may showmanship pa. Dahil nung lumabas yung order ko, akala mo nasa jungle ka, may drums talaga. Kasi sobrang dami ng feast. But it is a good place to hang out with friends. It's a good place to chill. Pwede rin kayo mag-inom-inom ng konti. It's a breath of fresh air in the province of Tupi, South Cotabato. Kaya mga kadistritos, if you want to try their food, please check out Cafe Cerveza. I am your ambassador of fatness, giving the visa of flavors here for this restaurant. Until next week, happy eating.